Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing how I apply Polygel using the dual form method. I purchased this 8-piece Polygel kit from AliExpress's website, which comes with 4 Polygel tube applications, slip solution stainless steel scraper, Polygel applicator, gel brush, and nail file. First, my hands are prepped by washing and fully drying them, filing my nail on the nail sides with the stainless steel nail file, then the nail tip. Pushing back my cuticles with the cuticle pusher, gently in a circular motion. Remember, you do not want to damage the cuticle area. Nipping off whatever is left of any pushed back cuticle. Then buffing the nail vertically and horizontally, brushing off the nail residue, applying the nail dehydrator, followed by applying the primer lightly over the nail. These are the nail forms that came with the kit, in which I then chose the desired nail sizes that fit accordingly to my nails. Here I chose a size 5 for my index finger. Using Cool Girl's Crystal Gel Clear Polygel. Squeezing the clear polygel carefully over behind the dual form tip. Pouring the polygel slip solution inside the glass dapping dish. I'm dipping the gel brush within the slip solution, then swiping the brush a few times. Now I begin manipulating the consistency of the polygel with the brush by flattening it to its desired nail length. Then removing the excess polygel material off. Re-dipping the brush into the slip solution, now making sure there is a right amount of consistency of the polygel. Flipping the dual form tip onto my natural nail. Placing the polygel onto the nail, squeezing out some of the excess polygel from the sides, making sure to air out any visible air bubbles from the cuticle area. Again, I manipulate behind the nail to flat out the consistency of the polygel and touching up the tip area with the brush. Placing the nail within the UV gel lamp to cure the nail for about an entire minute. Now that the nail is cured, you see that the nail has a right amount of consistency. I'm removing the dual form by squeezing the sides repeatedly and then finally having the dual form pop off. Can tell that the nail is thick enough. Filing the tip, then the side edges of the nails. Now going over the nails with my Mia Secret electric nail filing drill. Brushing off the excess dust, buffing the rest of the nails to smoothen out those rough, sharp edges and creating a smoother surface. And here's the finished product. I did notice that once all the nails were once cured, they went from looking crystal clear to a cloudy, whitish look. I'm not sure if that is in any way normal, but they seem to be alright. Plus, I did like the fact that while curing them, they did not burn at all while under the UV lamp, like other circumstances where I would apply gel builders and they would cause a slight burning feeling. And this material made it way easier to be filed. Alright, that was it for this video. Hope you all, or at least some of you, enjoyed this polygel application process. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell for notifications on upcoming videos. And would just also like to say you all take care now and bye for now.